The scene is called Intro Mei Lin. When we first came up with the idea for how do we introduce these two characters, Mei and Ming, this kind of popped into my mind because it shows, one, that Ming is this in charge, scary, but fierce and amazing woman, and that Mei is totally enamored with her mom and sees her mom like a goddess. And that's kind of the main heart of the movie. We realize that, it's taking a long time for Mei to turn into a panda. And the movie played perfectly fine without it, and that's when you know you probably don't need the scene.
Thank you for making a warm holiday memory at Miracle Mart. Say, Miracle Mart, where miracles start.
Miracle Mart, where miracles start.
Photos will be ready in about 3 days.
I think I blinked.
Sorry, no redos.
But-
Next. What is this? Ming Li and daughter
We waited 2 hours, 27 minutes for this. Do you think that's reasonable? Why are you so understaffed? Hasn't Miracle Mart heard of seasonal hiring?
Please help yourself to a festive accessory.
No! Thank you. We have our own vision for this.
All right.
Now, lift the tray towards Mommy. Firm arms, square shoulders, just like we practiced. How do I look, Mei Mei?
So beautiful, Mama. How do I look?
Perfect.
Say Miracle Mart, where miracles
We're not doing that.